Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another vlog. This is the Biker Guy, and we are in Bangalore. Let's get the day started. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is somewhere out from the city. Obviously, because today we are out for an event hosted by Motor Royal Bangalore, that is MV Augusta. It's a dirt track event where we'll be taking a experience of one of their vehicles, the SWM it is called. I have no idea about the bike. I've just got an invite from the company yesterday that I can join for the event, and it is supposed to be a dirt track event which is held in Tribal Adventure Cafe in Airport Road, if you guys know about it. And yes, I can. This is the place. Like, if you guys can see, so here we'll be riding. Ironically, the event starts at around 8:30, and as always, since it was after long that I was riding, I came off too early. So it's around 7:30 now, and I'm already here at the event, which is gonna start at 8:30. Like the registration is gonna start at 8:30. So I thought, let me just show you around. So this is the place, Tribal Adventure Cafe. It is a 30 kilometers trail, and we will be riding here today. I have had experience on a dirt trail before. It was with Royal Enfield when Royal Enfield introduced their Himalayan Street, but it was quite a long back. So I don't know, and it's been quite long that I've been riding on a dirt track. It's been like more than 6 months or something, so it's gonna be a bit new for me. And this bike is also not an Himalayan. It's a pretty I think it's a higher cc bike, around mostly would be 6 to 800 cc bike, because I've seen those guys riding this bike around, and I'll show you the bike in a bit. And so I have to get used to it, and then let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
Very good morning. Morning. Welcome to Tribal Adventure Cafe, the land of motorsports. Since 2 years from now onwards, it belongs to Mr. Tribal Sanjay. You must be knowing everybody. Tribal Sanjay. So the national level rally champion holders, and we have Vinay Prasad as the trainer over here, and Dev Venkatesh. And so today, why are we here is we are going to launch a new bike to India, that is SWM. Mr. Mahesh will explain you much about the bikes now.
Yeah, so this is from Motorola, and Motorola is from Kinetic. So Kinetic have brought 5 brands here, and this is one of them. So this is 600cc, comes with the 57 BSP and 53 mm top, and this has a 180 mm ground clearance, and this vehicle can do on-road and off-road. So you people are here to do that. So you people please test them and let us know what the bike is. So let's do the event successful. So thanks for coming and being a part of the event. Thank you. And this is
So yeah, I've read about the bike a bit. So it is a 600cc bike. It produces around 57 newton meters of torque, and the seat height, which is the main part which I should be talking about, is it is 898 mm, the seat height. So the problem is, so there's the bike. I have tried it once. I've sat on it once, but then it is quite high, so I'm like on my toes when I'm sitting on the bike. And it's a 600cc bike. It's got a lot of power. So then there are quite a lot of people. If you can see that there are quite a lot of people on the background. Registration is going on right now, and we will be soon starting with the event. And I have got this band, so we'll be soon starting with the event.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna brief you about few basic stuff on the off-road track. So always try to stand and ride. It's easier on the off-road track. So try to hold your legs here, don't let it loose, and keep your back a little bent, straight above your handlebar. Your chin should be straight above your handlebar, and elbows, don't keep it closer to your body, just a little wider, so that you will have free momentum to turn the bike. And yeah, stand on the balls of your feet, this part that is easier for you to brake, or you can also stand on your toe. So try to stay closer to the bike, hold the bike in your leg, not in your arm, okay? Don't let it go like this, it can throw you away. And take it easy on the jumps, don't gas too much. If you gas, it's gonna fly. If you're not comfortable on the jumps, just take it easy, roll the jumps, learn them, and then you can master it. And yeah, just go smooth, because these are not off-road tires, so take it easy, have fun guys. If you all have any questions at any point of time, let us know, we'll help you out.
Woohoo, crazy.
Stand and drive, it's gonna be fun. Don't gas too much. Take it easy. Take it easy, aram se. Helmet, helmet, helmet! Riding gear!
The rear brake is not catching at all. Is it on?
I don't know, dude, even I'm ready today. These are not really meant for off-roading. So that's why I'm telling everyone, take it easy or the bikes are gonna die. It's not working well.
Anyways, I'll just. Yeah, so we got done with the ride. It was a 1 lap ride on the track. Maybe you can still hear the rev. Guys are still going on with the bike, but I'm just done. To sum up how the experience was in a brief note. It was a good experience, but it was very hard. The few points I can note down that I had problems with was because the bike had quite a few crash before I took it for a ride. So like the seat was out, then the clutch lever was broken, then the bike was getting switched off. There was some problem with the air filter. That is, I understand that is the reason they have given us the bike, because they want to know what problems they have with the bike since they are going to launch it soon. But yeah, those were the problems. Because the clutch lever was broken, so it was very hard for me to hold the clutch. And the height of the bike, they have to reduce the height of the bike because it's 890 and it's too tall for Indian people. Because for Indian market it is too tall. Because if you want to tiptoe also, if you want both of your legs to touch the floor, then you have to be minimum 6'1" to 6'2" for both of your toes to touch. So if you want to ride that bike normally for everyday commute, or for a what do you call it, a dirt track or trekking or something, you have to be more than 6'2". So if they're targeting Indian market, I think they should reduce the height of the bike. And it looks really good. When Dave was doing it, the track rider, when he was doing it, it looked really nice, that oh my god, he's flying and all. But when you actually get on the bike and go on the track, you understand how hard it is, because it's sand track and there's no traction. And yeah, in this bike, though it has dual channel ABS, but you cannot switch off the ABS is always on. You can switch it off, but then if the bike shuts down, it goes to reset on default setting, that is ABS is on. And if you guys know, then ABS you cannot use. ABS is bad for a dirt track or sandy track, because traction is low and it doesn't hold. So the ABS was always on. So whenever you tap on the rear brake, it's not holding. The bike keeps on moving. So that is also one problem. They should put one switch which actually turns off the ABS when you're on a dirt track or you're doing off-roading. So this were just a few problems that I had with the bike. With one ride you cannot actually point out all of the problems, but yeah, these were few of the problems that everybody was having. Even Dave, the rider, he also said that he's not able to manage the bike because of the ABS and everything. But since he's been doing it from the past 12 years, he rides every day, so you have seen what he can do. He's like brilliant in his job. And yeah, I think that would be all. If I remember something, I'll note it down. And yeah guys, I've left from Travel Adventure Cafe. It is the end of the day. We are done. It was a good experience. The company was good, bike was good. Yes, after we had a few problems after the crash, and company people were really nice. Travel Sanjay, the owner of the place, was also nice. You should visit Travel Adventure Cafe, follow them on Instagram. And yeah, so I'm heading back home right now. My god, this road is bumpy. So yeah, we're heading back home right now. If you think the video was nice, if you have enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have some suggestions from me. And yes, do subscribe to the channel, guys. And as I always say, I'll need your love and support to make this channel a hit. And till the next time, goodbye beautiful people.